Hello students, Vande Matram. So students, today we are going to learn about reporting of imperative sentence starting with let's and let. Okay. So आज हम डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच ओके इम्पेरेटिव सेंटेंस का डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच कैसे करेंगे वो देखेंगे. Okay, so reporting of imperative sentence starting with let's and let. So first, see let's. Okay, when sentence starting with let's, you have to change reporting verb said and said to into proposed or suggested. Okay, so if when you are going to change reporting verb proposed and suggested, if there is any suggestion in the sentence of direct speech, you have to use suggested. If there is any proposal, okay, if there is any proposal in direct speech sentence, you use suggested as reporting verb in indirect speech. Okay, you can also see I also written here. If there is suggestion in example, use suggested as reporting verb at the place of said or said to. If there is any offer, any proposal, use proposed as reporting verb. And yes, remember, as conjunction you use here that. Okay, so it is the rules of changing imperative sentence into direct to indirect speech or reporting. Reporting, that means you have to narrate their some of dialogue, someone's dialogues and some of examples into your language, not exact words. Okay, so there is this is the rules of when we are going to change imperative sentence into indirect speech. Okay, use conjunction that, and yes, remember at the place of let's and let us, you should use their we should or they should. Okay, now the question is that when we use we should and when use they should. Okay, so they should if subject is third person. If in direct speech, that means the example of direct speech, if there is subject is third person, you have to use there they should at the place of let's. And if the subject is first person, so you have to use there at the place of let's we should. Okay, now we are going to see some examples. So this is the rules of imperative sentences. And how to change imperative sentence into reporting. Okay, or in indirect speech. Now, so students, now we are going to see some examples of imperative sentence, and you can see here how I changed that examples in indirect speech. So first example, I said, comma, double inverted comma, let us play a match. Okay, remember when you put quotation mark, that is exact dialogue, exact word which said by some person. And when you are going to change it into indirect speech, at that time you are just focusing on message, not on exact word. Okay, you are going to narrate that sentences here. Okay, so you can see subject I write there same as here, and reporting verb said changes into proposed. Why? You can see the in question that let us play a match. I make a proposal here. Okay, so because of that I am using propose at the place of reporting verb. I proposed that, and yes, we remove here quotation mark and comma and add conjunction that. Let us changes into we should because the subject is first person. I propose that we should play a match. Now, second example. I say to Ram, comma, quotation mark, let us have a race. So I make a proposal to Ram, let us have a race. So now we are going to change it into indirect speech. I proposed that. Okay, so here reporting verb say to changes into propose because here you see the proposal of race are given by me. So because of that, say to reporting verb changes into proposed and conjunction that let us changes into we should have a race. Okay, here you see have that is not change here because after should you have to put there have, not you can't change have into had. Okay, now third example. Shyam said to me, comma, quotation mark, let us finish this work. Now change it into indirect speech. Shyam suggested me. Why? Why we put here suggested as reporting verb? So you can see Shyam said to me, let us finish this work. चलो हम ये काम पूरा करते हैं. So this is suggestion. This is suggestion for me. So because of that, I use here reporting verb suggested. So and Shyam is third person, and we use here at the place of letters they should. Shyam suggested me that they should finish that work. This changes into that. Now fourth example. He said, comma, quotation mark, let us wait for our friend. Now change it into indirect speech. He proposed that. Let us changes into they should. They should wait for their friend. Our friend changes into their friend. So students, this is the sentence which is started with letters. Now we are going to take the examples which start with let. So students, here is the example which started with let. Okay. So first reporting verb changes into advised, request or ordered. And yes, do not use conjunction that here. You have to add to let at the place of conjunction. Okay, now we are going to see the examples. First example, he said to you, let me go home. Okay, so you can see in the example, this is the request. Let me go home. मुझे घर जाने दो. This is request. So reporting verb changes into requested. You can see said and said to changes into advised, requested or ordered. Now see the first example. He requested you and comma inverted comma and let changes into to let. Let me go home. So he requested you. वो तुम he said to you let me go home. उसने तुमसे कहा मुझे घर जाने दो. When we are going to change it into indirect speech, he requested you. तब हम ऐसा कहेंगे उसने तुमसे कहा था to let him go home कि उसे घर जाने दो. To let him go home. वहाँ in indirect speech we are changing the pronoun here. So me changes into here him because the subject is he, which is third person. When we are going to change into indirect speech, he, his, him. Okay. Now, second, Sita said to her father, "Let me go to school." Sita said to her father, "Let me go to school." Sita requested. So, this is also a sentence of request. Sita requested her father to let her go to school. So, me is changed here, her, into her. Okay, now third example. The teacher said to the peon, "Let this boy come in." The teacher said to the peon. Okay, if the teacher said to the peon, this is ordered. So, here as reporting verb, I use here ordered. The teacher ordered the peon to let, comma and inverted comma, remove, and let is also removed here, and add, to let that boy come in. So this is very simple. Here as a conjunction you use to and write the sentence. Now this is the last example. He said to Sohan, comma, "Let me see it." So उसने सोहन को एडवाइस दी, लेट मी सी इट, मुझे ये देखने दो. Or maybe it's request also. So when we are going to change it into indirect speech, we can also use requested or advise at the place of the reporting verb. He advised Sohan to let him see it. Okay, so students, this is imperative sentence which is started with let's and let. Now I am giving you some homework and send you a pic of homework.